Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Cybersecurity Media. Today we will show how to host any website in Kali Linux for pen testing and hacking purpose. Why hacker need fake website, redirect any website, gain access and many more purposes. So we are coming our terminal after getting root permission. I will check my status Apache2 service Apache2 status. Here is no Apache2 installed, so I am going to install the Apache2 service. Sudo apt install Apache2. It will take time to download the files. After getting download, it will start automatically. Done. I'll clear the screen. Sudo apt service Apache2 status. I'm checking the status now. It is up and running, enabled and activated. Sudo service Apache2 stop. I'm stopping the service again. Sudo service Apache2 status. Here is showing disabled, as I am already been disable the service or stop the service. Sudo service Apache2 restart. I'm restarting the service here. Service restarted. So where is my index file? Here is var www/html folder. If I do dir, here is the old index file that I have rename it. So at first I will check my IP. I have config. I'm checking the IP. My IP is 10.0.0.40. It is my IP. If I hit the IP in my browser, it is showing the folder old index.html. So I have to change the file first and start the service again. Sudo service Apache2 start. My Apache2 service is started, and old index file I have to edit something. Old index file. So mousepad old index file index.html. It will take time to appear in the screen. Here is the file. Here is the HTML code that I have created. Hello everyone. Hello, how are you doing? That's it. I have edited the file and that's it. Save it. Let's save it and I will rename the file old index.html. Here you may know index file will appear on the screen any browser for any website. So I rename it index.html. Here is the index.html, and after refreshing it, it appears on my screen and my website is running. If you get this helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.